Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will learn about how to take Amazon machine image and restore it. So for that I will create one Amazon EC2 instance, and after that I will install Apache web server into that, and post that we will stop our instance and we will revert from that AMI. So why we need AMI actually? So we need it for two reasons. First, to create more instances from that AMI, and second, why we need to restore and replace from the earlier safe version. So if we are patching our server, and if we are performing any activity, so it is suggested that we should take AMI of server. So in that case, if any issue would be there, then we can revert from that AMI. So let's get started. So I will create one server first. We will give it a name called web server, and after that AMI which is already selected, Amazon Linux 2, so we will not touch it, it will be same as it is. And after that instance type will make as it is t2.micro, and key pair we will select. So I have two key pair, actually three key pair, so I will select EC2 key pair. And the security group I will select this one, 21 actually, and I will tell you why we will select, because in security group, this security group, port 22 and port 80 are already open. Port 22 is required to connect to server, and port 80 is required to connect to web server, which we will configure. So here 8 GB disk will be there, which is root disk, and after that we will launch it. It will take some time to launch that server. So I have created some other servers as well, so I will put it here running, so it will show only running instance. So it is in pending state as of now, that's why it is not showing here. So it will take some time to come into running state, then only we can see our server here. So we will wait for some time. Yes, it is showing now. So I will show you that till now it is coming up. I will show you that why I have selected this security group, port that 21 security group, because here in that security group port 80 which is belongs to HTTP service, and port 22 which is belongs to SSH, which are already open to all over the world. So that's why I have selected. But in your environment you should not select this. You should mention your specific server from which you want this to be open. In my practice actually I am following this, but it's not be done in your environment. In your environment you should select only specific IP from where you want this to be connected. Here how to connect it, I will click here and I will copy this. It git bash I have already downloaded. In git bash I will paste this. After that I will select yes. Now I am a normal user, that's why it is coming dollar prompt. Now I will switch to root through this command. Now you can see that the prompt is also changed. So now in that server we will first install Apache web server. So this is the package httpd yum install -y. So and then package name, this we will paste here. This package will be installed. After that we will start that service through this command. And we will make this service as enable. Why we are executing this? In case our server would reboot, in that case that service will be in started state. So that's why we are executing this command. Now we will create our own web page. So it is the configuration file where www.html, and after that in that index.html file will be there. So in that actually we are executing that hello world actually we are pasting that. So this is the command. So now if I will log in here to my instance and I will check my public IP, so we should get, okay, so I need to copy this. So yes, this is coming here, which we have mentioned in our web page. So now what we will do, we will take AMI of our server. So how to take AMI? You just need to go to Actions tab, and after that Images and Image and Template, and you need to click here, Create Image. Here we can give it a name called Image of Web Server, and here we can give same. So here actually we can select no reboot enable, otherwise it will be rebooted. So actually it is ideal to stop that server and then you can take AMI, but here I am taking AMI of running instance. So here it is showing only one disk because in that server only single disk is there, but if there would be multiple disk, then it would show multiple disk here. So I will click create image here. Now I will check its status. It will be coming here, AMI tab. So I will click here. It will take some time to take its AMI. Now it will be in pending state. Once it is completed, it should show in available. So until it is not coming into available state, then we should not stop our instance, or we should not perform any activity, because it will be in pending state, or if we will perform any activity then we will not be able to recover it. So it is ideal that you should wait once it is coming into available state, as it will take some time. So let's wait for some time. Once it is coming as available, then only we can stop our instance and we can create our instance from this AMI, and that AMI would be having the web server which we have created. So it is taking some time. Let's wait. Yes, it is coming into available state. Now what we will do, we will terminate that instance. So we will click here and then terminate. It is shutting down. Now we will click here, and after that we will launch instance from this AMI, and I will give it a name of web server 1, and AMI I will select same as it is, and then key pair I will select as this one, and security group I will select the same which I have selected previously, the 21 security group, because in that security group port 80, which is belong to HTTP, and port 22 are already opened. And here I will just click on launch instance. It will take some time. Here it is already selected running instance, so it will take some time. Now it is not showing anything because that instance would be in pending state, that's why it is not showing. Once it would be in running state, then we would see here. It will take some time to come into running state, so wait for some time. Okay, pending. Yes, it is in pending state. Here we can select which instance we want to see. If you want to see terminated, then we can see, click, type here terminated. Now we want to see running, then we can select here running, and after that click here, it is in running state, and public IP will check this public IP. Here I will show you here again also. Yes, this is coming as hello world, which we have configured previously. That's all from this video. Thank you, thanks all for watching this. If you have any doubt related to this, you can comment on this comment section, and uh, please do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you, thanks a lot.